Good evening, everyone. It is 9:18. It is December the 31st, and the countdown has started for the new year. In the meantime, let me go ahead and give you what I have in earthquakes, all right? There was a 4.0 off the shore of El Salvador at 24 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 near the east coast of Japan. Now what? Let's see here. Okay, let's see. Okay, that was a 4.5 Turkey. I'll give you the miles and the depth in a minute. As I was saying, there was a 4.2 near the east coast of Honshu, Japan, at 34 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Peru, Ecuador border region at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 Argentina at 80 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 Indonesia, and that was at 6.2. That was the Bmkg and the EMSC. There was a 3.1 South Korea at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Iona Sea, 0 miles in depth. Now, there was another earthquake in Indonesia. Usgs EMSC have it at a 4.9 at 22 miles in depth. But the Bmkg Indonesia Earthquake Center has it at a 5.0 at 22 miles in depth. All right. I'm tending to go with the Bmkg since they're right there. There was a 4.9 Vanuatu Island at 29 miles in depth, a 3.3 Costa Rica at 62 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Mexico at 8.7 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Indonesia off the shore at 48 miles in depth. That was the EMSC and the Bmkg. And there was a 4.5, hang on. That was a 4.5 Turkey. Let me write it down. Eastern Turkey. 6.2 miles in depth. It looks like the Turkey Earthquake Center and EMSC. So that was a 4.5 Eastern Turkey. I'm writing it down as we go, so I've got record. And that was the EMSC and the Turkey Earthquake Center. That's all I have for right now, guys. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying your New Year's Eve and that you'll have a safe one when you go home. If you're out partying, don't drink and drive. Call a cab. AAA is giving away free rides, believe it or not, and they'll tow your car to your house for free too. All right? Next time that comes on, I'll get the number to you. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. Have a good evening. A safe one too.